If your Chevrolet Silverado 2007 to 2013 model radio is completely dead, or you have a working screen, but absolutely zero sound, don't tear your dashboard apart yet. Check these two specific fuses under the hood first. Pop your hood and locate the main underhood fuse box. Remove the cover. Find fuse number 42, labeled Audio System. This is usually a 15-amp fuse. This delivers the primary power to your head unit. If your infotainment screen is completely black and won't respond to the power button, this fuse is your main suspect. Pull it out. If the metal bar inside is snapped, swap it with a matching spare. Now, if your screen turns on and functions perfectly, but you get no audio out of your speakers, look for fuse number 41, labeled Amplifier. If your truck has a factory premium sound system, this fuse powers the amplifier. When it blows, the radio looks fine, but the speakers stay completely dead.